to all. Here I am going to discuss about the impurities in water. So water contains the four types of the impurities. The first one suspended impurity, second colloidal impurity, number 3 dissolved, and number 4 biological impurities. So let's see one by one. Suspended impurities. The water contains the suspended impurity which contain the factors like soil, sand, organic waste. Okay, and the particle size which is greater than 1000 angstrom. Such impurities are visible. Okay, they can be separated from the water by using the simple filtration or sedimentation or settle down treatment easily. Second, that is colloidal impurity. The size of the colloidal particle in water is 10 to 1000 angstrom or 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. Finely divided organic or inorganic matter of the colloidal size makes the water highly turbid. These impurities are evenly distributed in water and they do not settle down easily. Generally, the colloidal particles in water are negatively charged. They are separated by or they are removed by coagulation followed by sedimentation or filtration process. So here for the coagulation process we use some chemicals and such chemicals are called as the coagulants. So which are the example like FeSO4, alum, sodium aluminate, aluminum sulfate, etc. Dissolved impurity. So underground water is clear in appearance because of the filtering action of the soil and porous rocks, but it contains the more dissolved salts. Such a water is better for the drinking purpose, but it requires the treatment for the industrial use. Various metals are water soluble. Various gases are water soluble. Okay, organic solids like sugar, alcohol, carboxylic acid, urea, etc. are water soluble. So here we separate the organic impurity from the water by using the oxidation or biochemical oxidation process, whereas inorganic impurities from the water we separate by using the chemical treatment, and similarly for the gaseous impurity removal process we use here the mechanical deaeration. Okay, now next one, that is biological impurity. These impurities in water includes the bacteria like aerobic as well as anaerobic, algae, fungi and other small size aquatic animals. They are present in surface waters. Okay, so biological impurities containing bacteria, algae, fungi or small size aquatic animals. They are removed by the first filtration and then any microorganism in water are killed by sterilization process. So we use here the filtration along with the sterilization. The sterilization can be done by using the chemicals like bleaching powder, sodium hypochlorite, chlorine, okay, ozone, etc. And by physical methods like a boiling of water and ultraviolet light, that is UV light, we can also use for the removal of biological impurity. So these are the four types of the impurities in water: suspended, colloidal, dissolved and biological. I will stop here. Thank you.